on YouTube, do not forget, zoom out please. Zoom out. Zoom out. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Make sure that you're not missing any of my beloved live streams. Let's get it. Let's go. We're back from our little suspension. Had a little bit of a sit down and oh God, now we're back. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. We need some music. We need the beats flowing. Happy days. Come on. Let's go. We need a good song too. Something to pump us up. We're back. We are back. Meeksy, what up? We're back. Finally. World War III happened when I was gone. Pretty much. For a day. What do you think of buy? Depends what your strategy is, but I just bought US dollar yen. I was just having a look at that. I don't see this being a terrible buy. Depends what your strategy is. You reckon, Meeksy? How are we? How are you? Back at last. I'm happy. We're here. Let's try not to get suspended. We were doing so well. It was so long. Not getting that. Not getting that. Not doing that. Not getting that. Probably won't get that. I might post a video this week. Not getting that because I was suspended. Not getting that because I was suspended. 800 diamonds I probably won't get today. And 100k. Okay, so they're giving me unrealistic goals. Thank you. Bitcoin ETH. I don't really trade this shit, but Alex Becker came out with a new video. Go look at, if you're into crypto, go watch Alex Becker's new video. Because I know he just came out with a new video and he's the crypto god. So, but I don't know, Bitcoin, we're at all-time highs. Can we really see it going that much higher? And people have been asking about ETH for 6 months and it's done nothing. So, I mean, you know, I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's not my forte. I apologize, Worldly. How should we be trading in preparation for World War III? That is a fantastic question. And look, it depends if anything really happens. What I would do is because obviously lots of opportunities are going to be presented shortly, or have already been presented. I would probably steer clear of any Swiss yen pairs, depending on how long term you're thinking. But business as usual for now. Business as usual. Yeah, right, been sick the last few days, so finally resting. Shit, that's not good to hear. Nobody likes. Is there a pair, Bitcoin ETH pair against each other? Hey man, Braden, thank you very much for following me. I didn't even know that was a thing. That's how disconnected I am from fucking crypto. I didn't know that was a thing. And Meeksy, that is terrible. I bet I can tell you why you've been sick. It's because I haven't been here. That's why. Sienna, what's going on? I'm back. Welcome back. What are the predictions for TikTok's exposure for me today? What do you guys reckon? You reckon they're gonna give me anything? I'm gonna predict no. We were doing good for a while. We were getting like, averaging like 100 people, 90, 80, around there. I don't reckon they'll give me shit today. Tio, thank you for liking. What do we have for likes? Who's getting stuck into it? Meigsy, obviously, Sienna, Tio, and I'm Zurich. Thank you guys very much for liking. You will be here on the screen. So yeah, keep it up. I'm gonna have to start driving the majority of you guys to YouTube so I can just continue streaming, to be honest. I need to get a YouTube chat sorted because every time I fucking, like, I get the chat out and then it's weird. It doesn't work properly. I don't know. Is there a way I can... Let me have a look. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oh. Oh well, now I can really see the YouTube chat. 100% missing this vids. Yeah, come on now. Come on. Don't get it twisted. Finally, you're so weird. Yeah, I know. I know 13. What? Hello, what are those lines you use? Key levels? This is a indicator I developed to just automatically put in, if you're an ICT trader, fair value gaps. If you're a normal trader, wide range bars. So this was developed to automatically put them in, and it does it on every single time frame, automatically. Chelsea, Jesus. Okay. Rate and cut in July. Potentially. For who? I don't know. Hello, Noah. For the US, is that what Powell said? I haven't been watching the news recently. What's better, broker, Black Bull or Blueberry? I've never even heard of Blueberry. Black Bull, because I've never even heard of Blueberry. And I use Black Bull. I've used Black Bull for fucking forever. Oh, I have heard of Blueberry. I have seen this before. Black Bull. Fair King, you're so captivating in your fairness. Please don't stop. Well, I had to stop because TikTok fucking suspended me, but we're back. How much you make monthly? I don't talk about dollars, but about 7.5% of my account per month. We are currently at 8.9% for the month. And we're wrapping up in a couple of days, so hopefully we can get to 9, 10. I've got a bit exposed. I'm a bit exposed, so I'm happy about that. We should be able to potentially hit the 9.5 to 10% if we get some movement. Sienna, yeah, dropped in as I got your message. Sweet. Whoa, been a while. How you doing? Good. How are you, Matt? How's your week? A blink and then you're suspended. Yeah, I know, it's ridiculous. I got suspended for gambling, apparently. I was like, what the fuck? Dean, thank you. Game plan, thank you very much for following me. How much you've made in the last year? Percentage-wise, I don't know the exact percentage. Probably around 40% in like 6 months, 6.5 months. Probably around there. I'd have to extract all my data to check. Because money comes out too. So yeah, I'd have to check. Is this your job? Yes. Good morning, Dean. How you going? Do you work a day job as well or full-time trade? Full-time. Yeah, man. Same old. Stay safe, bro. Thank you, brother. You too. Thank you for dropping in. You don't gamble? Yeah, I don't fucking know. I made a new account to show my strategy and I got 30 likes. Fuck, that's pretty good. Bro, it's like more than fucking I get. I don't get shit on here. Probably because my content is like garbage. I don't really care. How much do you pay capital gains? Ask my accountant. No idea how to trade, so I gamble instead. Fair enough. FX Dean. How long did it take you to become a profitable trader from when you started learning? About 2 years. It was a long time. It was a long time. But that's usually how long it fucking takes. People just don't stick with it, or they say they make more than they actually fucking do. But yeah, it was about 2 years. Can you check my new video? There we go. Yeah, I will. What are you investing in? I don't do long-term investments. I have some Bitcoin and XRP from like a fucking million years ago, but... do you have copyright music on? Because I'll get fucked by YouTube. Not bad. Good job. Xander. What's good? I'm back. Welcome. I'm doing trades right now and I'm just trying to get started, but I'm not too sure what to look for. Should I do? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Can't have a chat. What's your strategy? Message me on Discord and we can go through some shit. I talk to everyone. 2 years ain't long considering the end result being freedom in your daily life. Yeah, I know. So, but I've been doing this for like almost 5 years. It wasn't like 2 years hit profit, quit everything, you know. But it was quite a long time. But yeah, in the grand scheme of things, it's not. You are completely right, Zurich. Are you trading currencies or stock? Currencies. FWT07, thank you very much for following me. Sleepy! It's been a while. What's cracking? I think we got to put the chill beats on. This is a bit intense. I was a bit excited, okay? You know, coming back. I was very excited. Because I missed the streams. You know, all I've been doing is fucking editing for like fucking 3 days and doing other shit. And I like streaming. So I'm happy we're back. Very happy. Strategy, buy low, sell high. Yeah. The lack of haircut troubles me. The missus talking too much. Right. Yeah, it's pretty fucked, eh? It's pretty bad. I think it's because I just like, I like change my hairstyle. Like my hair's usually like parted and then I let my barber just do whatever fuck I want to do, they wanted to do. And then they were like, oh yeah, we'll push it forward, but my hair's fucking thin and shit. So now it just looks cooked. Yeah, it's not it, eh? Oh, it's not it. You make me do it, and it is so hot. I'm like 1,000,000 degrees right now. It is so hot. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. So we get the fucking, you know, we get the fucking, we get the guns out, and we get the hat backwards, and then we're gonna have like 1,000,000 viewers, you know? Or no viewers, because I'm small. But nah, Mrs. ain't talking at all. Been very busy, bro. That's alright. That's alright. Glad you get to tune in every now and again anyway. Is she perhaps speaking out? Bro, what? No. And Kay, I haven't seen you fucking ages either, I swear. Or maybe it's just because I've been away for a couple of days. I just fucking feel like I haven't seen anyone. Be like, you bro, orange. I can see more people are in the live. Love it, bro. Good for you. Keep it up. Brother, you have not... This is nothing. This is nothing. We're doing terribly today. We were averaging like 90, 100 people. Now look at it. TikTok spends me, lets me come back to fucking nothing. How's your day today? My day was pretty good, actually. It was pretty good. Woke up, fucking... worked out, went in the shops, ran into someone that I used to know, chatting to him for a while, and then fucking came back up here, did some cleaning, did some washing, jumped in, finished editing the masterclass, and now we're here. Yeah. What are you trading? Forex. How was your day, Sienna? I think just playing this night. Dot followed, thank you very much. And Marlon, thank you very much for following me. Go to a different bar. Betrayal leads to success. Yeah. Orange boy has big muscles. Getting the money up for PC build and moving address. Fuck yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Everyone just needs to repost. Yes, whatever. Well, Marlon, thank you again. And full-time trade until I lose my sanity. Yeah, well, I mean, look at me. Perfect example. Fuck! Fucking idiot! Have you seen AJ guy with his prop firm just scamming people? I don't know how people believe him. Yeah, I have. I actually have a mate that was with fucking whatever his prop firm was. Apparently it was a nightmare at school. Yeah, fuck that. What up, Lucas? Did we finish our conversation? Yep. Fuck, I like jump on here and someone will comment and I'll be like, shit, did we finish that? Benko, thank you very much for following me. What kind of setup do you have? Me? What kind of setup? Like PC setup? Bitcoin coming, bro, you reckon? Hey bro, what up? Jam hot, how are we? I have to go, unfortunately. That's okay, Sienna, thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And you have a fantastic evening. I'll probably see you tomorrow. Oh, we finally got the new flying power of my Aldi. Fuck yeah! You actually like it? I can see why some people wouldn't, but... Oh, so good. Teddy Worker, thank you very much for following me. No, that's fucking mad, Megsy. I'm happy. What was XRP worth? What do you mean? I love watching you live while at work. Good! That's what we like to hear. What is this music? What is this fucking music? Get it off. Get it out of here. Next. Next! Am I in focus? What? Where did that come from? Whoa. I do not know what happened there, but weird. Yeah, bro, PC setup. Oh shit, these might be down. Okay, that's. Is the music, can you guys hear the music and all that shit? Because my, I spilled certain beverage all over this thing and now it's a bit fucked. My PC setup, I don't know, I got fucking 32-inch, 1440 curved, 27-inch normal monitor. My PC is i7 9900K and a 2080 Super. I don't fucking know. I don't know shit about computers. Is that good? You tell me. I don't fucking know. YouTube, bye, see you later. Teddy and Winston Puppy with the follows. Thank you very much, guys. Bro, you're safe with prop firms as long as you have a big following on social media. If you do not, yeah, that's true. Why do you think people fall for prop firms? A fantastic question. I'll get to that in just a moment because that's a little bit one. I'll just, hello, Teddy. Yeah, it's actually so good. Fuck yeah. I'm Zurich. What the zest? What do you guys mean? Zest? What's your P&L? For what? Like, all time? Today? This week? Hey, fuck. Unintentional visitor, you got me. The week? I don't know what the week is. The month is like 8.9% and I'm in like 4% drawdown. But I live in drawdown, I don't care. How do you get into it? I don't even remember, bro. It was that long ago. I don't know. Yeah, I was just on that side of the internet. Trying out I tried out fucking 10 different things. Trading was one of them. Anyway, the reason why people fall for prop firms, and it's the exact same as why do people fall for, you know, any of this financial shit, and it's just a get rich quick scheme. People think they can make a shitload of money from a small amount of money, which is the challenge phase. Ooh, if I can pass this, I now have access to so much money that I can make a fucking $1 million from. It's just a recurring cycle of get rich quick schemes. Why are we listening to Japanese fucking hut music? What is this? Hold up. Man, it is hot in here. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just hyped and severely caffeinated, but it's hot. Give me a second. All right, the aircon is going on and the jumper's going on. What's funny, Julian? Jasmine, thank you very much for following me. Bro, did my Discord just pop the notification up for YouTube? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, I feel like people do prop firms because they're lazy and not secure about their strategy. I don't think so. I mean, I don't particularly think so. Yeah. Potentially some of them, but I think the majority of them just want to get rich quick scheme. Trying to analyze this and yeah, I think it's just a get rich quick scheme. I don't particularly think that. But I mean, yeah. They have no patience. Well, yeah, that one, yeah. Laziness, yeah. Yeah, okay, I kind of, an element of that, yeah. If you're sure about your strategy, you can start with 2 or 3K live account and grow it, but obviously that takes time. Yeah. That is a huge part of it, yeah. But people don't realize the prop firms, fucking, the majority is just horseshit. Do you share signals for a commission? No. No. Signals are garbage. Can you guys hear me? Hello? Yeah, you should be able to. Yeah, okay, cool. Yep, sorry. It just came up with a fucking message saying that you couldn't. Yeah, no, I don't strictly build ups, but you can join my community. Join the mentorship and actually learn instead of trying to get shortcuts with signals and bullshit. It's literally something that I go through in the masterclass. It's like one of the first things I go through is about people looking for shortcuts. Yeah, yes, thank you very much. I don't know why that came up. That was weird. I tell ya, my fucking, I don't know what happened, but my, I spilled a bunch of shit. It fucking, yeah, hello. Yeah, nah, seems cooked. You're a real one, bro, for this. I remember months ago, you've been saying the truth about prop firms. Yeah, I know. I'm surprised I haven't been unalived yet from all prop firm owners. But I'm not big enough yet. If I was huge, then yeah, maybe. What pair is this? This is Euro odd. Scupped, thank you very much for following me. You trade in gold? Nah, I don't do much with gold. I do actually want to have a little look at that. Usually I do have a look at these sorts of things. Holy fuck, we've been live for 30 minutes already? Before, because everyone asks about them, but yeah. How's UJ doing? We crawled up actually. Nice little easy one. Anyway, good luck, bro. I gotta go. It was nice talking to you. You too, brother. It was good to see you. Till next time, have a good evening. Do you not like prop firms? No. They're a good tool. Like, they're a fantastic tool once you've been trading for a very, very long time and you kind of understand how they work and understand how to utilize a tool like that. But for the majority of people, I think it's just a get rich quick scheme. And it sucks the lower and middle class people in, expecting that they're gonna make a lot of money, which is vastly untrue. I'm wondering how much I should start with to start funding my account. Nicole, that's a good question. It's pretty subjective to, you know, who you are, what your strategy is, you know, shit like that, but, and how much you want to make, where you're located around the world, what broker you're with. There are a lot of factors that play into how much you should start with. I always recommend going demo before you actually put any of your money in. Using a demo account and testing a strategy for a while just to see if it works long term. My recommendation always for an account, if you're starting out going live, is like a couple of grand, but some people don't have that and think that's a lot of money, and that's okay. So you can go a little bit lower and fucking kind of add to it and all of that. What's the best broker? Blackbull Markets if you're in Australia. That's just my recommendation, my opinion. People will say other brokers. I don't really give a shit. Blackbull offers the highest leverage with like tier 1 regulations. So yeah. Bro, hello. Ew, Killer Rob, thank you very much for following me. Is this reliable enough to quit your 9 to 5? That is, we're getting some pretty good questions. So that all depends on your overheads and your capital and how much you're making. Like, in terms of reliability, like, yes, like I've done it, but man, like the majority of people won't get there because they don't put enough work in and expect that it's going to happen overnight. So like the answer to your question is yes, but it's like with everything. How much work do you want to put in to get to that point? It took me fucking years. So yeah, a meme coin's worth it? No. So a lot of factors to consider. That makes sense. I want to try paper trading soon, but still learning. That's okay. Nicole, I got a Discord that's linked to my bio if you want to join it. Come have a chat. Do you trade in gold? No, I don't. And Killer Rob, thank you again for following. I need to, Zach, thank you very much for following me. Man, we're not getting fucking much happening today, eh? TikTok hates me. What up, Apple user? It's good to see you again. How the market's treating me? Fine. We're chilling. We had a little bit of a scare where I almost took some action when fucking Trump dropped the bombs. But, you know, what was it, the next day or the day after they... So when they dropped the bombs, we had huge extensions, which I was already in on, and I went into a little bit of drawdown, but I was like, nah, I'm going to leave it overnight, and, you know, should be sweet. And then I woke up to, you know, a couple % profit and basically no drawdown. So we're good. We're chilling. I didn't have to do anything. Which we love. We need to get people in here. Start commenting, start liking, start fucking doing something. I don't know, where the fuck is everyone? Why does TikTok hate me so much? Likes. Holy shit, we got some likers in here. Migsy with 3.3, no surprise. Mason, 2K. Sienna, 1.5. Tio, 1.1. Unintentional visitor, 1,000. Fair King, 345. Zurich, 143. K, 83. Poseidon, is that what it's meant to be? 42. Thank you very much for hooking us up there. Wait, why does it only show 8 now? I guess you guys have got to fucking compete a little bit more, right? TikTok isn't pushing you out? Yeah, I know. They fucking hate me. They absolutely hate me. They were for a couple of weeks, and it was fucking mad. And we got heaps of people, we got heaps of followers, we got everything that I had been working towards, and then they're like, nah, fuck you. Get suspended for nothing. Goodbye. Alex, thank you very much for following me. Fair, I admire the ability to hold while sleeping. I'm like 2-3 hours max. Yeah, you get used to it. So the way that I trade is day 2 swing. So I can be in trades for 3 months max, you know, I can be in for a while. Pablo, thank you very much for following me. I can be in for, you know, quite some time. Keep those likes coming. Keep the fucking comments coming. Let's go. Let's put a flare on and hopefully some fucking more people. Too many live creators are using flares. That's why no one's in here. Everyone else is fucking stealing everyone. Fuck's sake. Keep them coming. Let's get some people in here. It's my first stream back. I wanted to have a big one. Yeah, so my trades are in between swing and day, so I can be in for a couple of weeks sometimes, and that's fine. Doesn't really matter. Sorry, I just had to check you weren't someone else. I know someone with that name. Recommend any coins right now? No, don't do coins. Did one of the videos in the mentorship go over drawdown? I'm still getting a bit confused on it. Possibly not, but the masterclass video, that's why I did the masterclass video, because I was like, fuck, maybe in the masterclass video, we got multiple drawdown, talking about drawdown and everything, and risk management and fucking everything. So that should be posted by tonight. If I can get it done by tonight, should be like, I have like 10 minutes left on it, and then I gotta rewatch it, and then it's up. So either tonight or tomorrow, like when I wake up. Ha 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 ha. Guessing how many, but if you have any questions, just message me. Guessing having Asian session as your daytime analysis doesn't help with the volatility. But I'm not awake during the day. You know, I wake up at fucking midday. Go to sleep at fucking 6 a.m. So I'm awake all night. I'm caffeinating now. Hey, advice for getting into business, or should you just focus on trading? Hey, advice for getting into business, or should you just focus on trading? Or like, should I just focus on trading, or you? Elaborate on that and then I'll answer your question. Oh, perfect. Yeah, easy. Sorry, mate. Well, that's very much up to you, I guess. Like, either or can yield significant results and land you in a pretty decent position if you work hard enough. It really depends. Business is very like, business you have to deal with a lot of other people. And all this online shit about, oh, you can just do this from home, blah, blah, blah. It's almost all horseshit, right? It's almost all horseshit. If you're introverted and don't really want to go out there and do a bunch of shit, this could be pretty good for you, but you have to work very hard still. If you're good with talking to people and doing all that, which is what I've done previously, then maybe business is for you, but it really depends. It really depends. They're both a gamble. They're both depending on how hard you're going to work individually. what sort of team you have around you and everything. So you just got to stick with one thing. Just stick with one thing and get really good at it. And then you'll be good to go. Come on, guys. Fucking keep the likes up. Keep everything. Hopefully we can fucking flare now and get some people in here. Sakira, thank you very much for following. Strategy went up on For You page. Nice, nice. Good job. I'll have a look a little bit more. After. I like this song. Do you guys like jazz? Jazz type shit? Come on, give me the fucking flare now. Man, I was watching this stream last night, right? Very chill song, man. How'd you get started? I don't really remember. Oh, and we got a finger heart. Thank you. First gift of the day. We actually been light on gifts today. Usually we at least have like a fucking couple. Jesus. Thank you very much, Eric Ramirez. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And how did I get started? I honestly don't really remember exactly how I got started, but I just was on that side of the internet. I remember early on when I started just saying that I just have to stick with this. Doesn't matter what, doesn't matter how hard it gets, doesn't matter fucking, you know, I just have to stick with one thing. And that's what I did. I just stuck with it for fucking years and years and years, and here I am now. But I did get like mentored, do all the mentorship, do all the courses, all that bullshit, and fucking, yeah. Which was useless and a waste of money until I found my final mentor. Everything else was like pretty much useless. Except for eye-opening to the fact that no one knows what the fuck they're talking about in this industry. B-movie reference? I don't know what you're talking about. Phil Collins, As Far As I Go. Is that a song? As Far As I Go? I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Is that Phil Collins? Eric, thank you very much for following me. Low-key, just start watching something related to trading. Yeah. Do you only trade Forex? I trade indices as well, but not right now. I haven't for a month. That's me now. I need to not give up on this, however hard I find it, and trying to understand it. Yeah, it is. And there's going to be points where you're demotivated as fuck and you don't want to do it, and you know, it sucks and you're confused and fucking everything, but you just have to keep going. Eric with a rose. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. Sticky, what's good? You said you like jazz. Oh yeah, that is a B-movie thing, isn't it? Yeah, can't beat it whilst doing an analysis, pure flow state. Eric with the tiny tinies. Bro, what the fuck? Thank you. And the finger heart. We're pumping. Now we're cooking with gas. Now people are starting to trickle on in. Hopefully we can flare. Fuck! God damn it. God damn it. Anyway, Eric, thank you very much for the gifts, bro. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Yeah, can't beat it whilst doing an analysis. Oh, right, yeah. Yep, I gotcha. And Minxie with a heart me. Thank you. Bro, I took all my money out of Nvidia to find my Black Bull account and it hit an all-time high. To find it. Oh, bro. I feel bad. I feel bad. Sorry if I... Did it actually? Oh, shit. That's rough. But also, that's trading. That's fucked. I was in that moment for 1 or 2 weeks, now getting my motivation back. Yeah, it's got a... Long term, it only comes down to discipline. The motivation's gonna go very quickly. And it's just gonna be discipline. So, you gotta learn it. You gotta live and breathe it. What the shit going on right now? I don't know, you tell me, what is going on? I don't fucking no clue. Who are you? Where are you? No, it's G. It happened after the tariffs too. But it jumped, I think, 10% last night. Fucking hell. That's rough. That's really rough. Yeah, literally we would have like probably 2,000 total viewers. Maybe 3,000 total viewers. We're at fucking 800. Thanks, TikTok. They just hate me. I was doing so good for so long. Yeah, that's rough, Stiggy. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, I didn't get a noti when you went live. I think you might be restricted, probably. God damn it. That's annoying. What can I do? What can I do? It's fucking so annoying. Joining the stream to this is crazy. Joining to what? Sus? I don't know what you're talking about. What are you doing in that drink? I was just finishing it off. I was just like trying to finish, just trying to get it finished. Average Villa boy? What does that mean? Brisbane time, it's 12:30 a.m. Is it? Has it changed? I thought it was 11:30. You think gold is a buy still? I don't trade gold, sorry. Not my thing. Appreciate it. Every drop counts. Yeah, dude, 100%. You gotta get every last drop. Good thing I'm actually not like famous, eh? Imagine the shit that would get clipped and put on the internet. Oh, it's all down my shirt too. Hanoi, what's with the dots? I don't understand. Anyway. News. What do we have later? Bailey speaking at 9 o'clock, so we might get some pound movement depending on what they say, and GDP. So I'll probably get quite a bit of movement, as well as unemployment at the same time for the US dollar. So we could expect a bit of movement later on this evening, which could be good for me because I would like to hit 10% for the month. That'd be nice. And then tomorrow, GDP for the CAD and price index, PCE. So a bit tonight, a little bit tomorrow. We've obviously had a pretty big week this week in terms of movement. We had CPI for the CAD, which is slightly increased. I'm almost certain I actually said that. And the PMIs, which almost all increased, which I'm pretty sure I said that as well. Not for the French, though. So, yeah. Besides that, I mean, we're basically just waiting to see if fucking... just waiting to see if, I guess, fucking World War III kicks off, which I highly doubt it will. I think we're in the clear, to be completely honest. I don't think there's going to be much more that happens, but we'll see. See, look at this, the strength on fucking Japanese dollar. Surprised Swiss isn't up there. It was the other day. Fucking crazy strength, but what I don't know is what is this Truth Social shit? Do you guys know what Truth Social is? I've never even fucking heard of it. Is that because Trump and Elon broke up? They had that little public divorce. Wow, Shell is in early talks to acquire rival BP. Holy shit. Interesting. US will meet Iran. That was this morning. Trump may sign the Iran agreement next week. It's possible Putin has territorial ambitions beyond Ukraine. Ooh, that's interesting. I haven't gone through this today. We're not giving up on Iran sanctions. Department of Justice files brief and appeal ruling finding tariffs illegal. Wow, okay. Iran, Israel could start again. Guess it could start soon. Conflict end. I dealt with both and both are exhausted. Anyone's going to be exhausted after dealing with fucking DJT. What's your favorite to trade? I don't have a favorite, to be honest, just Forex in general. What trading software do I trade on? MetaTrader 4. I still have no clue what I'm doing with Forex. What website is that? That is Financial Juice, this one, and this one's Forex Factory. Have you messaged me on Discord yet, Sticky? I can't remember, bro. I've got like a million messages talking to fucking 50 people. Bro, what the fuck? 800 views on my video? Really? Which one? Oh yeah, nice. Fucking hell, it popped off. Good job. It's fucking more than I get. Good job. What, where is that? What do you mean, where is that? What? You don't use Forex Factory? Yeah. What do you trade? Forex currencies? Iran and Israel are already going again. Israel broke the ceasefire. Did they? It would have shown up there. When did they do that? I've seen absolutely nothing about that. Dylan Page. Well, I mean, they didn't technically break it, but they made a stupid decision to, once they signed the agreement, they fucking started to send bombs over. So they didn't, the agreement, like the actual ceasefire hadn't taken effect yet. But what they did was stupid. London session only? No, I don't care. I'll trade every session. Day 2 swing. Hello, and I got 10 followers. Good job. What strategy do you use? Price action? I use price action and fundamentals. Yeah, my strategy is very unique and you don't really see it on the internet. It's a combination of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Hybrid martingale strategy. And it's not really on the internet because it actually fucking works. I don't know. Oh, okay. Is now the worst time to invest due to what's happening in the US? I wouldn't say it's the best time. However, and Luke, welcome. It's good to see you. Look, it's a good time for opportunities to make a shitload of money if you know what you're looking at and know what you're doing. This is why you need to be prepared and you need to actually learn about this shit so you can be in the position to take advantage of when this sort of shit happens, right? I don't particularly see the biggest problem. I think a lot will probably fizzle out, but it depends how aggressive your strategy is. Julian, thank you very much for following me. It really depends on how aggressive your strategy is. And if we're talking about like long-term investing opposed to short-term. Royal Shack. Thank you very much for following me. Damn, not gonna lie, I was actually so I was so happy when we got, you know, we were having fucking shitloads of viewers come in here, right? I was actually so happy because like I was making so many connections, talking to so many people. It put an element of more stress, you could say, onto me and more responsibility, which is when I kind of like thrive. Bori DTB. Thank you very much for following. Yeah, it added like an element of stress and responsibility and everything because I had so many people joining, so many messages, blah, blah, blah. Lisa Purple Skunks. Thank you very much for following me. And now, with TikTok suspending me and fucking, as whoever it was, I can't remember, saying that they didn't get any notifications or anything. It's like, what the fuck? Like, why? Man, it was just so disappointing that we were doing so well and then I get suspended for absolutely fucking nothing. And then it like cooks our whole shit. It's really frustrating because I was, you know, I was getting excited. Bro, Dylan Page is actually a pretty good source too for financial news. Yeah. I don't particularly follow everything that he says, but obviously he's extremely famous and a lot of his shit just pops up on my feed if I'm ever scrolling, which is like pretty rare that I'm on TikTok scrolling, but you know. Crypto is just going down and down, man. Well, I mean, it's not looking good, bruv. But, I mean, what do you expect? It's fucking crypto. Go watch if you're really into crypto, go watch fucking Alex Becker's new video. I'm sure he probably has some insight into the crypto world and the crypto community, which I do not. So, yeah. But it you know, it doesn't have any like regulations or anything, so. Shit. Sorry, let me just catch up. Crypto is nothing protecting its value besides hype. Yep, fantastic, that's correct. Crypto will have the same fate as NFT. I don't know if it'll get that bad, but yeah, it's not good. See, look, now people are coming in. What the fuck is TikTok doing? This is weird. This is weird. If you're just joining, where did you see me? Where did this fucking happen? Like, TikTok fucking hates me, so I don't understand this, but yeah. If you just trickled on into the fantastic live stream we have here, where were you just scrolling? Did you see me on your For You page or some shit? I don't understand how TikTok promotes me because they fucking hate me. Crypto is so hard to read at the moment. It's so bad. Crypto's just fucked. What's your average trade value to make it worth it? Trade value. Well, my initial, I trade very differently where I scale into my trades, but my initial trade is 0.25% of my account, and I trade 19 different instruments. Holy shit! Ow! Luke! With the fucking Galaxy, are you serious? Bro, are you serious? Again? And a paper crane? What the fuck? Dude. Bro. And 19 roses. Brother. What the fuck? Are we all seeing this fucking shit? Luke. No, thank you so much. You know you don't have to fucking do this. I appreciate it a lot. I really do. Thank you very much, Luke. That's fucking too much. Too much. But yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. What a G. Oh, I gotta catch up. What's the average rate? Check out MLTX. I can't right now. Have you ever done meme coins? Yep. Firestock. I can't do that right now. What city are you in? That's a nice view. Thank you very much. I'm in Brisbane. Crypto's only good use is moving money illegally. Yeah, chucking it through a mixer and fucking MLTX, bro. I'll have a look at it in a second. Can you play PT? No. Have you ever done meme coins? Yes. This is my favorite trolling account. Me? Trolling me? Or me trolling other people? What, you trading? Forex currencies? Crocker69, thank you very much for following me. Gold For You page. Oh, true. I don't trade gold, but we can have a look at it. You scalping, mate? No, I don't scalp. Day to swing. Badger, thank you very much for following me. For You page, weird algorithm. Yeah, what the fuck? Just scrolling. Thank you. Heard it here first. How hard and how long does it take to get profitable? It took me 2 years. Year and a half to 2 years, so yeah, it's a while. Thank you guys for letting me know where you found me too. What up, Lincoln? I got filtered. Oh. Try and say it in an encrypted way. Hey, boss man, please give us advice on trading Forex using candles. I recently tried using fair value gap 1 hour. Okay. So fair value gaps aren't always reliable. They can be quite unreliable. Just one more time, Luke, thank you so much for fucking sending that shit, bro. That's actually just fucking insane. Like, I seriously appreciate it. Helps the stream more than you know. And then they decide to push me randomly and fucking all this shit. So I do really appreciate it. Thank you. So this is 1 hour. I've developed an indicator to automatically throw in fair value gaps on every time frame. What I would recommend is not using them What the fuck? Not using them as a... What the actual fuck is going on? I have no idea what's going on. Hold up, sorry. Why is financial juice open twice? But using them as a tool just for areas where you can potentially get out. That's how I use them. I use them as a directional bias to get out of my trades. So, advice on trading Forex using candles, and you shouldn't just use candles to trade. You should always look at macroeconomics and fundamentals to decide where the market potentially might go. But it really depends on kind of how you trade. If you're trading 1 hour, you might be swing trading. So you would be looking towards fundamentals. I use 1 hour as my higher time frame bias and 5 minute as my lower time frame entry. And I use wide range bars or fair value gaps for ICT weirdos to target potential exits alongside support and resistance. And I'll pay attention to fundamentals to see potentially if we're going to get a shift up or down. But yeah, it is... Just using candles is not going to get you very far. You can base a strategy off of price action and candlesticks and everything, but you need more. You need more. You can join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and come have a chat to me if you want. I also have a mentorship as well, if you want to learn all my strategies and all of that bullshit. I'm only teaching one strategy at the moment, but it is done via a bot, so the bot gets me in. When the fucking... Hold up, where's my little pen? I can't believe I don't have my pen out yet. Once our conditions are met, we're in, right? It's no fucking around, staring at the charts, trying to time our entry. If our conditions say that we're getting in here, we're getting in long. It doesn't matter. We don't have... I mean, we do have control of it, but we try and take all of the emotional side out of it, because if you're sitting here going tick by tick, like, oh, fuck, oh, it's only coming out, it's going to go down, oh, that's only a small candle, maybe we're going to continue to go down, oh, it's come back up, we missed our entry. We don't do that shit. So, I've developed a bot to get us in and out of the market, and you guys get it for free in the mentorship. And it works. Yo, filtered. How long do you stay on one currency, or do you just browse all of them and hope to see something? No, so my expert advisor, or my bot, is planted on all currency pairs, like all the majors, so it's 28 different pairs. At the moment, I've removed the majority of Swiss and Yen pairs, except for 3. Actually, no, I'm now trading 18 pairs because I got rid of Swiss Yen because of current economics. I made a significant amount of money off it, and then I got out and closed it off, just paused it for now until economics and the World War III and everything might die down. But I just turn off allow live trading for the bot. When I put them on there, it will automatically take the position, right? And then we scale into our positions. It's an unconventional strategy, and the majority of people have no idea what the fuck they're talking about anyway, so they're going to be like, oh, you don't know what, blah, 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 whatever. But I've been doing this for a long time. How's it going? I'm good, Lincoln. How are you? Anyway, so how long do I stay on one currency? When I'm in a trade, it can be anywhere from a few hours to a few months. It's very rare that it's a few months, but it can be. Very, very rarely. Usually it's intraday to intra-week. How much money do you bet per trade? 0.25% of my account, and then I scale in at a 1.3x multiplier. I said I bet Trump taking out the cartel will hurt crypto a lot. Probably. I know there's something to do with like Argentina or some shit, but I mean, that's not really cartel. I don't really fucking know, but yeah. Argentina and crypto or something. Day trade what? So basically you're a cheat. A cheat. I don't know what that is. Let's look it up. Not on stream, because I'm sure it's not a nice word. Doesn't even come up. Literally doesn't even come up. I don't know what that means. I literally cannot even find it anywhere. I don't even know. What's a G? Do you guys know what that is? Cheers, mate. All good. What's your mentorship include? So, this is not just... What it is it's not really just like a course where you got a PDF with a bunch of shit, right? Which is the majority of all this bullshit. I got like a couple of hours worth of videos that goes in depth with a lot of shit. I've just finished my masterclass. I got like 10 minutes left. And that's like it was 4.5 hours, but I cut out a lot of shit. So it's now like 2.5 hours of whole strategy breakdown. There's already a strategy breakdown, but I wanted a more in-depth version of it. So there's that, there's fundamental videos, there's setting everything up, blah, blah, blah. You get into the paid Discord and you get my expert advisor, which is my bot, right? So you get the bot that I use every day and with the strategy that I've used for the last 3.5 years. You get that for free. You get my indicators for free. And you also get one-on-ones with me. We can do calls and all of that. But I'm here in front of my computer. I'm not going to charge you an extra fucking $300, $400. Some people charge thousands of dollars for one-on-one fucking meetings with a profitable trader. I don't do that. You're in the fucking mentorship. It's called a mentorship. So I'm going to mentor you for entertainment purposes only. Don't sue me. And yeah, you get fucking all that shit for $47 a month. And if you leave, right? So if you only decide you're going in for a month, you watched all the fucking videos, you've had one-on-ones with me, you've got everything set up and you want to fuck off. It's not like the bot and everything just magically disappears. You still got it all. So you can just go off and do your own thing. So yeah, that's that. Links in my bio. Morning. Good morning. Where are you for it to be morning? Bro, your likes through the roof. Plus, you owe me so much money, all the gifts I give you. Yeah, I mean, stop fucking sending them. Stop sending them. Are they through the roof? What do we got? 28K. Bro, there's been some days where we've hit fucking 100K by this time. But they are, and I really appreciate everyone. Migsy's still going. Luke, holy shit. Migsy 6.6, Luke 4.4, Poseidon 2K, Mason 2K, Sienna 1.5, Tio 1, Unintentional Visitor 1, Butchie Boy. Oh, what up, Butchie Boy? 674, and Royal Shack 559. Thank you guys very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are starting to pick up, but still, bro, I swear to God, if we try and put a flare on right now and it tells me that there's too many creators using flares. Oh, thank God. Do you know how many times I've been doing that? I've been clicking that. I probably clicked it about 60 fucking times in the last 20 minutes. And then as soon as I pull it over here, you guys give me that charm. You guys give me that fucking good luck. And now we got the flare. Now we're going to have more people in here and we're going to have a funner stream. Sticking with a heart me. Birchop with a go popular and a heart me. Thank you very much, Birchop. It must have been Birdchop's presence that caused the flare to actually work. Thank you, Birdchop. Like the US government already owns like a ridiculous amount of Bitcoin that's been seized. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Can you tell me a good platform to start paper trading on? You can use either TradingView or MT4. I prefer MT4. And depending on who you're learning from, right? Because obviously... Bro, are you serious? I just said, how do I pin it? Send a journey pass? What the fuck? Bro, what the actual fuck? I literally just said stop sending me gifts, and you opened this. I don't know if that costs you anything, but thank you. What the fuck? It depends who you're learning from, Nicole. So if you're learning from someone that primarily uses TradingView, and I recommend only learning from one person, don't learn from a bunch of different people because you're gonna get confused as fuck. So if they're just using TradingView, just use TradingView. If they're using MetaTrader 4, just use MetaTrader 4. It should get you views. Bro, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's been a rough one back. It's been a rough one back. Ricardo Moore, thank you very much for following me. I explained the mentorship. Or at least they still have the keys for the wallets. Yeah. How complicated was it to make the bot? Extremely fucking complicated. It took me months. Months and months and months. It was fucking horrible. How much a month? $47 US. I'm just good luck. You are. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Luke, bro. What a G. What an absolute G. Ricardo, thank you again. Nicole, thank you. No stress at all. It's what I'm here for. 127001. Thank you very much for following me. That's a strange name. It says it's reached 165 views. Where are they? I don't know. Do I need to like get up and act like an idiot for them to stay? What do you reckon? Meeksy with jelly snakes. Thank you very much, Meeksy. Appreciate it. You don't, man, you said like a trillion likes every fucking stream. You don't need to do that. It's all good. Do I hear a few more drops in here? Do I hear a few more drops? What ticker, bro? I mean, this is gold. I don't know why the fuck we're on gold. Give me something else. Euro USD. Am I in Euro USD? Oh, we're so close to TP. I would love to hit that and not have to worry about scaling into this. We should. We should. That should be fun. Euro USD, I'm pretty sure I am. Yep. 2 positions, Euro USD. On that little swing that we were just looking at. Climbing up. Pretty decent TP. So we got our first entry. Came down a little bit. Didn't quite get the exit that we wanted. We scaled back up. That's okay. The bot chucked us in another fucking sell. Coming back down. Break evens here. Our take profits just at the bottom of this gap, which I actually like because we have last week's high around here. And we do have the top of this candle here, which probably doesn't mean a fucking thing, but it's there anyway. Yeah, this whole level, just up here. I would definitely prefer to get out at the highest wick anyway with this gap fill. So I'm pretty happy with our TP. Hopefully we don't need to scale in anymore, and this swing, accumulation, continuous swing eventually comes back to either down to our mean or at least to support, resistance zone support. So I'm happy with that one. I don't really need to monitor that one at all. We got 47 seconds. What ticker, bro? Alright, yeah, you asked that. Thoughts on small cap stocks? I don't trade stocks at all. Start my new job Monday? Fuck yeah, that's exciting. That's very exciting. Good job. D-trades. Use bots to trade white, removes a shitload of emotion. Have I earned free mentoring? Oh, potentially. I'd have to check. Is this gold? No, this is Euro USD. What are your problems with bots, Dancon? And I don't blame you. The majority of them absolutely fucking suck. Treasure box is opening now. Come on, get him. Get the fucking treasure box. Ready? Watch it drop. 67. Get the fuck out of here. Imagine telling a quant use a bot to trade. What is that? Okay, Say something constructive. Like, what does that have to do with fucking anything? Due to gold? Nah. Thoughts on ICT? Fucking ICT sucks. What is the data? What data is the bot even fed though? A lot of data. Bro, you're not saying anything constructive. Like, you're just mumbling rubbish. Please tell me, this is my favorite thing. Please tell me you post stuff on this account and it's not fake. Please. Come on, we all know how this one goes. Brother, you're not saying anything constructive. I've been using a bot for 3.5 years on this exact strategy. I don't know what you want me to say, bro. Like, what do you mean? But okay, explain your side of things, please. You know, I love this shit. So please explain your side of things, because heated. Obviously you're new in here. This is not heated. This is excitement. Thoughts on ICT? I don't like ICT. I think it's fucking garbage. Ruby, thank you very much for following me. What ICT did is he renamed a bunch of already known concepts and then just renamed them into all these fucking names to make people sound smarter than they actually are. It's basically all it is. Baseball is everything. Thank you very much. Why are you getting... Bro, what the fuck? Please tell me you're still here. Do a call again? Oh, you know. Oh my God, this guy. All right. Perfect. This is a perfect opportunity. Yet you have an indicator that has his concepts all over your screen. Before he renamed wide range bars to fair value gaps, these were invented in the 1990s. I didn't even know them as fair value gaps until about 2 years ago. But holy shit, I've been using them for 3.5, 4 years. Whoa. This guy's an idiot. Jesus. I need to do a call again with people because, like, it's just, Jesus. Do you recommend getting into day trading? It depends. I don't recommend it for everyone, but it really just depends who you are and how dedicated you are to something like this. If you think you can jump into the markets and make a shitload of money very quickly, it's not going to happen. Baseball is everything. Thank you very much for following me. Bird Chop with a rose and a heart puff. Thank you very much, Bird Chop. I appreciate that. And a community fest. Thank you. Andy, you're awesome. Oh my God, we're going to have to come back to these in a second. What's your biggest trade, G? It was a trade on US dollar yen, Japanese intervention in November 2023. It was this one. I had a fun account and I full ported it. And I made a shitload of money on it. So it wasn't actually using common trading practices. It was essentially gambling, but yeah. I knew the intervention was coming and just got lucky with the timing. Birchop with Rose, Heart Puff, Community Fest, you're awesome, and 6. Love you so much. Thank you very much, Birchop. It is very much appreciated. Where did this Dan Con guy? go? Like after he just kind of made a fool of himself by trying to say that it was his concept when it isn't actually his concept. I'm right here. Do you have anything else constructive to say? Like, you're just making yourself look a bit silly right now. So if you go to like a hedge fund and they're high frequency trading, do you think they do that manually? Or do you think they have algorithms that do that for them? So you're saying, oh, imagine telling a quant, blah, blah, blah. I would be trading the exact same way as I do now. I can use my exact strategy without a bot. I just use it to automate the majority of the processes and remove emotion. What do you think their algorithms are based on? No idea. No idea. Do you think they give that out to people? No, they don't. No, they don't. Dude, you're saying nothing constructive. Say something interesting. So explain how you trade then. Explain your methods of trading. What do you use to trade? Seeing as we got a quant genius in here. How long did you trade for until you started seeing profit and or progress? 1.5 to 2 years. It was a long time. Migsy, the unemployed doing God's work right now. Me or him? Your fingers sore? I bet they are. Explain support and resistance. Jesus. Can you not Google it? So we have levels of support and resistance here, right? So this is support. You can call these levels resistance, and a lot of the time support and resistance is just a cluster of limit orders where the market goes up, bunch of limit orders come down. It's pretty much it. There is a bit more detail to it, but Google it. Can't be fuck going into the whole thing. It's ridiculous. I can't even explain it. Do I keep him in here? Look at the top liker right now, though. Or should we get this guy in a call? Should we get him in a call to have him explain his side of things? I feel like he's just trolling, and that's okay. Like, but we've seen what happens to the people who come in thinking they know everything, and then they get in a call. Do you reckon this guy's like the last dude? The orange man? Luke 10.5. Holy shit. Migsy 8, Poseidon 2, Mason 2, 1.5 CNR, 1 TO, 1 unintentional visitor, Butchie Boy, Royal Shark. Yeah, everything. Every time I join your top liker, I joined You're Not First. Yeah, I know she is. She's insanely good at liking. Dude, what a choppy day on NASDAQ yesterday. Lost my master account. True. I'm not trading indices at the moment. Oh, wrong 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of gross. How much you lose a year? It's obviously a troll comment. I'm not trolling. If you take anything in I say instead of instantly getting heated, maybe you could learn something. Dude, I'm absolutely boiling. You're making me so mad. fake account on the internet. Get in a call with me then. Explain your side of things. I'm open to everything. You're just taking away from the stream right now because it seems like you're just acting like an idiot because you obviously don't know what you're talking about. So, I literally don't care. Can't compete against these auto presses. Dude, what a choppy... Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was crazy. Wait, so when it hits a resistance level, what causes the resistance? What are limit orders? Just ChatGPT that shit. Jesus. Bro, trust me, I'm not hating at all. Well, you obviously don't... Dude, bro, okay. I just can't be fucked. I literally can't be fucked. Man, I almost had a payout in my hand. That's unlucky. Jump on a call and teach us all. Exactly. This guy apparently fucking knows the intricate details of trading and how to trade and knows exactly what hedge funds and everything are doing. Like, you know, I don't really care. Like, if he doesn't want to jump in a call, I'm kind of like done with his absolute. Like, bro, you've said absolutely nothing constructive. Like, absolutely, you're saying listen to you. You have said nothing. So unless you say anything normal or jump in a call with me, I'm just not even going to respond to you. I love talking to people who have an opposite side of views because maybe I can educate them on stuff because you're clearly not educated. So, like, I'm happy to, and I do it every single time. I don't block people straight away. I usually debate people every single time. But yeah. Anyway. Bro, I had to dial it back before I blew my account as well. If you guys are almost blowing your account from one day, you're probably not doing something correct. And I presume you're way over risking your account, way over leveraging your positions. What pair are you trading, fella? I'm in lots of pairs right now. I'm in lots. How was your trading day? My trading day today, I don't think I'm out of anything today. I think we've got a flat day today. I'd have to check. I give up 12k likes. My fingers hurt. Jesus, really? Bro, Luke, thank you so much, man. You've fucking done a lot for the stream today. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What are your boxes on the trends for? These are gaps in the market. Fair value gaps for ICT people. Is Euro USD dropping right now? I just had it open. I hope so, because I'm in shorts. It is. How far down will it go? We don't know. I'm targeting here, right at this gap. Gap fill. Obviously, we have a slight non-gap here, but you could consider this an entire gap. So, right down the bottom, gap fill. We'll just see what happens. Damn, he left? Did he leave? Not surprised. You can't take people on the internet too seriously. Amy, thank you very much for following and liking. Revenge trading. That's not good. Are you into crypto? No. And over leveraging, trying to make it back. Naughty, naughty. Shouldn't be doing that. But everyone's been there. You just gotta live and learn, I guess. Live and learn. Oh, what a fucking... I see Thor. What up, Thor? How are you doing? Sorry I've been away for a couple of days, but I'm back. And the masterclass will be out either tonight or tomorrow. It's pretty much done. Yeah, locked out. Good, you gotta. I got a terrible fill price last night. How do you get a better price? Different broker. It depends. Like, your spread's obviously too high, and you're probably, if you're worrying about spread like that, you're probably scalping anyway, and that's something you have to take into consideration with, or slippage, depending if there was news, there might have been slippage. S&P 500, I can look at that. It's probably the exact same as the NASDAQ, which is what we were just looking at. I don't, so when I look at the indices, see, this is the thing with the indices today, right? I mean, I wouldn't be in until market open. I use an opening range breakout strategy for index funds. So which way it breaks doesn't really matter to me. And which direction it's going doesn't really matter to me long term. Just take into consideration we got GDP and unemployment at 10:30. So in an hour. So that might cause lots of movement pre-market, but it also might drive the market in a certain direction at market open, depending what the news figures come out as. So, yeah. Any general practices in terms of what? Trying to get a better fill price? There's nothing you can do. It's all up to the broker. Don't trade using, like during news events, or don't have pending orders at news events. God, I mean, fuck. Scalping, you're always going to encounter. Like, look at the spread now. We got fucking huge spread. It's very, very difficult. You can't really do anything. You honestly can't really do anything. Phantom, thank you very much. And DH400-22032, thank you guys very much for following me. If you're not in the Discord already, holy shit, we haven't even looked at the Discord numbers because we probably haven't had that many people join because TikTok isn't promoting me because they fucking suspended me. Well, we get 2 people. We get 2. This is what happens when I don't stream. We get like a shitload of members join, and then when I don't stream, no one joins, and then I never mention it, so nobody joins anyway because they don't even fucking know it exists. But I have a Discord. Get the fuck in the Discord. We're gonna be checking this out soon. So Dentist and Rocket, thank you guys very much for joining and welcome. I'm going to check that out in a little bit. Hey mate, was starting to get worried. Hadn't seen you for a few days. Yeah. Oh man, editing the masterclass was fucked. That's basically what I've been doing for 3 days. But yeah, I got suspended from TikTok. So had to sit down for a couple of days, but we pretty much done the masterclass. I didn't realize how long that shit was going to take to cut out me yapping. It's fucking ridiculous. I've literally cut out 2 hours of me yapping. So yeah, that'll be out either later tonight or tomorrow. 100%. What market are you trading? Forex currencies, right? And that's where I went wrong. Trading indices off market. Yeah, don't do that. Gonna just stick to New York session going forward. Yep. How many indicators do you usually use for Forex? I mean, I use a lot, but they're not really like, it's nothing crazy. You know what I mean? Like, I developed this one, which is just a fair value gap indicator, which just automatically puts things in. I got last week's high and last week's low, yesterday's low and yesterday's high. Moving average and RSI. That's it. Like, it looks a bit crazy on my fucking screen, but I know what everything does, and it's not like I don't really base trades off of any of this shit. It's sorta, not really. I'm not going to expose my entire strategy. That's for the mentorship guys. But these ones are just for looking at levels that the market might react off of. I just like to have it here. And gaps, I just like to have them there because sometimes I will target these levels for take profits. That's all they're there for, is targeting them for TP levels. That's all they're there for. I guess my charts are kind of complicated. It's nothing, it's literally nothing crazy. It's just because there's so many gaps drawn in on the market. Like, if I took that off, you wouldn't see fucking anything. It'd just be last week's high and low and yesterday's high and low. That's all you'd really see. So not really that much. I don't overcomplicated it. Coach JV, thank you very much for following me. And this is just the analysis chart that we have a look at, because that's on a VPS. So that's on some computer in fucking New York. This is just on my PC. Is Kraken good to use in Australia? I don't even know what that is. Is that a broker? Use Black Ball Markets. It's a no-brainer. Okay, cool, man. Thanks. No worries, R1 Rider. What do you use to go live? OBS and TikTok Studio, because I multi-stream, and I have AITUM, A-I-T-U-M multi-stream to be able to do both of them. I think he's angry about the suspension, yeah. I was actually angry. Relax, bro. I've been here since 9:30. I'm busy cleaning, hearing you rage. That other guy thought I was like so mad, and it's like, what the fuck? This is him calm. Legit, yeah. That's funny. That's actually funny as fuck. How are you not a fucking mod? I need to change that. User, thank you very much for following me. Moderators. Yeah, how the fuck are you not a mod? That's it. Welcome to the moderator club, Meegsy. That's actually so funny. You should see me in fucking after a few drinks. Pound your solo, we can have a look at that. Obviously we have your stolen news coming up. I am probably in a few pairs. Actually, I think, yeah, this is the most exposure I have at the moment. I'm in like 4 positions, I think, on pound US dollar, waiting for our retracement, which hopefully we get after US news. Maybe we get positive news and drives back down. But, oh, that's a fucking daily chart. Yeah, we're just training right now. We're obviously super extended at the moment, and all these buyers have to turn into sellers at some point. So this is getting bought the fuck up by banks, institutions, hedge funds, pension funds. They have to take profit at some point. How much do they have left before they run out of steam? We don't really know. So we are quite extended at the moment. There's no particular levels that I mean, to get up here would be fucking crazy. And this is ages ago. This is fucking 2021, 2020 levels. So that's a hard one. Pound US dollar. But we will probably have, we'll probably have pretty decent retracement, hopefully off the back of US news. If not, we're gonna keep going and then we'll come back down eventually. Oh, where's the GU? Oh, sounds painful. Yeah, it is. It's fucked. I'm so sick of listening to my voice. What are you trading? Forex currencies? Will trading always be in demand, or will there be too many traders? We represent, of the financial markets, 5%. So no, there's not, unless the entire world jumps in on it, I think we're gonna be fine. There's just not enough. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. Coach JV, thank you very much again for following me. God, we got a few more. Sunshine and Felice Jr. Thank you guys very much for following me. What up, Dark? How are we? Oh yeah, thank you for that, Manny. Do you trade from Australia? Yep. 6-figure. What's an SAHD? SAHD. 6-figure. Stay-at-home dad. I love that. I love that. Good job. Good job. I respect that. What time is it over there? 9:37. I'll probably boost off in about 10 minutes. I want to get the last couple of minutes done of the masterclass video for the mentorship guys and then fucking get it over there. What's that do? You can pin comments and fucking remove people and shit. Yeah, stay home, Dad. Thanks, brother. All good. When's optimal trading time for Australia? Well, it depends on your strategy, right? For me, it doesn't really fucking matter. I'm gonna trade. I'm trading all the time. My bot's on 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, so it doesn't really matter for me. When I'm scalping indices, I will do London and New York. It's highest volatility time of the day. Depending on where you are in Australia, just look up what time that'll be, the London Open and the New York Open. Chill well. I'm good. I'm fantastic. I'm very good. I'm very, very, very good. How are you? Made 30K today from... What is that? What is that? I've seen that recently on a lot of people's charts. Change of character. Who came up with that? Fair enough. Smart money. There you go. That's why I've never heard of it. Oh shit, we got a lot of... Nathan, Thivat, and Alex, thank you guys very much for following me. But good job, Signal. That's pretty decent. Cause you own your own place? Absolutely not. I don't want to own any fucking property. Absolutely zero interest in it. Go Megsy, get him. Woohoo! Do you think gold will pop off tonight? No idea, to be honest, mate. I don't trade gold at all, so I don't know. I don't know how it reacts to anything. I presume, depending on what sort of news we have, could impact gold, but I don't know how it reacts to anything because I've never really traded it. Got to always finish first. This lad MS. This lad MS. What? This lad's parents pay his rent. So I thought you were coming in here nicely, but apparently not. Please tell me this isn't a fake account. Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me. Yeah, they do. Yep. You're right. I'm broke. I have no money. I secretly actually, guys, I secretly actually work at McDonald's. Sorry to tell ya. My uniform's hanging up right now. Gotta go do the night shift after this. Got a method you prefer more than the rest, and why? Yeah, it's the way that I trade, and because I've been using it for years and it works. And it's unconventional, and usually conventional trading strategies don't work, in my opinion. What the hell is going on with this? What the hell is even this? Oh no, here we go. Music, hello? Hello? If you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio now. Love the content, by the way, G. Thank you. Thank you very much, Reggie. Reggie. Surely it's Reggie. Thank you. That's very, very kind of you. Just another bullshit strategy. I mean, if you made 30k off it, you can't knock it. Hi, hello Taz Style. How you start trading? How do you start trading? Like, how should you start trading? How to start trading? Or how I started trading? How I started trading, I couldn't even fucking remember. I just started. And here we are, 5 years later. How you should start is join my Discord, watch the beginner's video on getting started, and then come have a chat to me. Talk to me about whatever. I have mentorship as well if you want to join that. If that's not your thing, you get to go off in your own world of trading, and I'm always going to be here for you to ask questions. Is Moomoo a good broker app? I've never even heard of that. Moomoo. Have I heard of that? Has there been a shitload of ads of that recently? Moomoo. I feel like I've seen a million ads. Yeah, I don't know. What do you reckon? Just use Black Bull. Just use Black Bull. All good, bro. What trading pairs have you found really do well for you? So what broker do you recommend using for Australian-based traders? Black Bull Markets. Black Bull Markets is just... You can go under the FMA regulation, which is Financial Markets Authority of New Zealand. And you get, we're able to have 1 to 500 leverage, which not everybody needs, but I need it for my strategy. And they have tier 1 regulations. So for me, it's the best. And for a lot of people, it's the best too. Wait, did that just come back? Did that just randomly come back? I didn't even fucking do anything. I unplugged that, plugged that back in, and it wasn't working. I'm telling ya, I just have that energy towards me, you know? Like, it's like, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I'll start carrying on. We take that. We take that. I don't know what the fuck just happened there. Thank you guys for letting me know. Yeah. I honestly do not know what the fuck just happened there. When do you think the market will start to normalize after the Iran-Israel war? I feel like it has already, to be honest. I didn't really see such a large shift from normal market conditions, to be completely honest. So I think it's pretty much back to normal. Is it true that 9:30 New York session, go to 15 minutes and mark the high and low, go to lower time frame and wait for a breakout and trade on it? That's not a bad strategy. It's kind of what I do. That's not bad. Yeah. If I'm trading indices, that's almost, like, obviously there's a lot more to it, but that's a good, that's called the opening range breakout strategy. Look up Tom Hugard and have a look at that. Yes, thank you guys very much for the sound shit. He's been censored. Yeah. So nothing. Nvidia gonna pump or dump today? They stopped your mic. Yes, sweet. Am I on Tradeovate? No. Nvidia gonna pump? I don't know. I don't trade stocks. I apologize. Yep. We're back. Look at the chat. Look at you guys fucking go. I love that. I absolutely love that. Thank you guys very much. How much you make a month as a trader, and is trading your full-time job? Trading is my full-time job. I don't disclose financials, but I can tell you the percentage that I make per month. It's around 7.5% of my account. Nvidia, this month I've done 8.9%, maybe more. We'll have to see if I've taken profit on anything. The energy is muting you. Tesla will go on? No idea. As I just said, yeah. Anyway, bro, is it really reliable to trade New York session in 15 minutes and mark the high and low and then go lower time frame, break out and go to the bias? It's a decent strategy, yeah. Thank you so much. You've been helping me anytime I go here. That's all right. Yeah, have a look at, if you want to look at that strategy in detail, have a look at Tom Hugard. Tom Hugard trades that strategy, and you'll probably get, because you obviously need to, you can't just do that and then put your hands back and be like, yeah, nah, all sweet. But yeah, have a look at Tom Hugard. He will probably go in more detail into that strategy. And if you can't find anything else, just let me know and I can direct you to other people that teach that strategy too. I mean, I couldn't be fucked teaching that strategy. I honestly just couldn't be fucked. I'm gonna deal with this one. So yeah. What chart am I on now? Pound US dollar. Why is this M1? Get this the fuck off my screen. That's what I want to look at. Been trading it 710 WR. WR. Trading at 710 WR. Win rate. That's pretty good. Like a 70% win rate. That's pretty fucking good. That's pretty fucking good. We got a long way to go. I'm just gonna hide my screen and have a look at if we're taking any profit. I said 8.9, it's 8.5. Fucking idiot. 8.5, we're very close to taking profit on multiple pairs. So we should be able to get to 9.5 to 10% this month, hopefully. Because we've got some exposure, 4% drawdown. But we're not even in 1% on a single pair. 28 trades total. Do you trade in Oz? Yeah. Yes, sir. Or madam. I think that's a guy. I don't know. I can't see. Fuck. We might be off in the distance soon. It was a pretty late fucking stream today. Gib, yep, that's me. Will Gibb. King Jam PCG. Thank you very much for following me. What trading? Forex, currencies. I gotta go have a good night. Migsy, you have a fantastic night. The Blues, thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much. Oh, Luke, talking all that shit. You had to do it to him. That's actually fucking funny. Thank you very much for 12,833 likes. I really appreciate that. You have a fantastic evening. And let me know if you need any help with anything. Because I haven't heard from you for a couple of days. Or is that my fault? Did I not respond to you for a couple of days? No, last time I spoke to you, I was in the middle of alcoholic beverages. That's right. Yeah, if there's anything else you need to know, just let me know. Or help with anything, let me know. Goodbye. What's a good place to learn day trading for beginners? Right here, buddy. Learn the basics right here. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Right here. Come talk some garbage with everyone. All right. Nathan, thank you very much for joining. Yeah, jump in there. There's a beginner's video. Watch the beginner's video. I also have a mentorship if that's something you're interested in. If not, go and trickle on out and do your own thing. And then I'm always going to be here for questions. You live in Australia? Yep. Thank you. See ya. All good, Megsy. Thank you for the support. I appreciate that. Take it easy. As someone who trades in Australia, do you wait for the stock market, the US stock market at around 11:30? I used to, yeah, all the time. Now, I don't. It's to running the community and everything. It's too much for me to be staring at the indices. But yeah, I used to trade indices every day, and it just for me with the community right now, I just focus on my main strategy. That was like a side strategy. I just focus on my main one now. But I'm awake anyway. Like I don't go to sleep till 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm awake all the time. Just passed my prop firm account after 6 months, Tom. Fuck yes. Good job. Good job, Leon. I am very proud. Good job. 6 months, worth the wait. Fucking oath. I'm very proud. Okay, thanks, bro. All sweet. Diamond followed. Bro, I gotta stay up so late for the US Open. Are you Australian too? It's shit, eh? But I'm just so used to it now. Like, I'm literally just so used to it. Boyd, thank you very much for following me. It's been a little bit over 2 hours. What do you guys reckon? Time to wrap it up? Mitzi, thank you very much for following me. Yes, that's a humiliation ritual. If not in the Discord... Oh, fuck you. Alex. Thank you, bro. Thank you. If you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. I don't know what you're doing. We're almost at 400 members. We're growing. Slowly but steadily, because I'm not a fucking complete influencer. And I'm truthful. That's another reason why we're not absolutely fucking huge. But we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. What indices did you trade? I don't know if that's how you spell it. No, that's all right. That is how you spell it. Yeah. So for London session, because I traded London and New York. For London, I traded the FTSE, so the UK 100, and the DAX, which is the JER 30 or the JER 40, depends on your broker. Same thing. And then for New York, I originally started with S&P 500, NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones. Did I just say the Dow Jones before? I meant to say the DAX when I said London. I don't know if I said DAX or Dow Jones. I always say the wrong thing. Anyway, DAX for London, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ originally for US, and then I switched over to... I canned the S&P 500 because the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, look at these two. This is the S&P 500 and the difference between the two. They're almost exactly the same. So, brother, stop it. Every time I would go on a drawdown on the S&P 500, I would also go on a drawdown on the NASDAQ, vice versa with profit. So I just didn't need to have the both of them. It just seemed like I was double risking my positions, which I didn't want. So I canned the S&P 500, and then I went to only the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones for New York. And then now, just after starting the community and everything, I just don't have time to do that. Mitzi, I can't see that emoji, sorry. How much are you up today? Not much. A little bit. What platform is this? MetaTrader 4. When will it drop when Trump say China? China. Jesus. Appreciate the words. Oh, good, no stress. I'm gonna jump off. If you're not following, follow. Who do we have here? Thank you very much for joining the Discord. I appreciate that. If you're not in the Discord, just get in the Discord. Links in my bio. If you're not following, just follow. Whippine, I think that is. I can't really read that. Thank you very much for following as well. If you're not following, follow. If you're not on the Discord, join the Discord. I'm going to be live every single day, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, unless I'm suspended like I have been for the last 3 days because TikTok hates me. Okay? I'm going to jump off. You guys all have a fantastic evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for some more antics. Nakana penny stocks with high dark pool activity. I don't even know what you're saying right now. So yeah, you guys take it easy. Have a fantastic night. Follow me. Like. Subscribe. On YouTube if you're on YouTube. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.